Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the recipient's accounts is unable to receive payments. So guys, when you want to send your payment on Cash App to anyone and facing this type of issue, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back, and guys, after this you need to open your settings and open your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G network. And guys, after this you need to go back and guys check your account number of receivers. Maybe you have entered wrong number. So guys, if you have entered wrong, simply you have to enter your correct account number of Cash App. And guys, after this your transaction will be completed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings, scroll it down, click on general, and guys, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem on your iPhone. And guys, you need to check your date and time. Make sure that you have selected date and time on automatically. And guys, after doing this, you need to open your app store and check for update. So guys, here you need to search Cash App. And guys, now you have to open your Cash App, and guys, if your app is not updated, you need to update it first. And guys, after doing this, you need to open your settings again, click on general and click on iPhone storage here. And guys, now you have to wait for some seconds, scroll it below, you need to find your Cash App. And guys, you need to offload your app, and after doing the offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, you need to do your transaction again and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open any internet browser, and guys, here you need to search Cash App support. So guys, after searching it, you have to open your Cash App customer service, and guys, you need to contact with Cash App support team and tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.